So let's go ahead and break out of this. Go to Configure Terminal. I'm going to use the interface command, and incidentally, if you want to shorten that, I would like to, use INT. It makes a lot of sense because it's easy. And then what I want is serial, just like it is above, 0/0/0. Now if I do that, notice my new context prompt. I'm sitting at this interface. When we exit one time here, just go back one level, that's what the exit command does. I'm going to do the same thing. Shortened INT S0/0/0. Notice how I did not have to type the entire word serial? I really like that because it shortens the overall command. Still sitting at the same place now, which is great. So now what I can do is I can execute the IP address command. Now remember, if the IP address that I needed here is going to be 172.16.150.1, you need to make sure that you also add the subnet mask to the end of this, which is 3 255s and a 0. And then simply hit enter, and we now have our IP address configured. Now remember that this particular interface doesn't have an IP address and is currently shut down. So I need to make sure that I bring this interface up by executing the no shutdown command. When I do this, watch what happens. This is where that initial troubleshooting is going to come in. And notice I got both of my messages, which is great. If I take a look, I got my link, my interface serial 000 change state to up. That means I have physical layer connectivity. That's a good thing. And then it looks like my encapsulation is also correct. Line protocol on interface serial 000 has once again changed data up. So I have good connectivity. Let me go ahead and verify that. I'm going to go back here using a Control-Z, wait for a second, and then I'll hit enter. Now I have my prompt. I'm going to go ahead and ping the target address of 172.16.150.2, which is the other end of this link. Let's make sure that it's working. And you can see I got a 100% success rate, so I am pinging the other router.